trees are friends of man. While man is sleeping, he's seriously producing carbon dioxide. And the trees are seriously collecting carbon dioxide, such that they can bring in more oxygen for man to enjoy.
Reverend Duncan Mugumya obira lyo mjenyi mukuru abwa Rotary Club Eby'Obuhangwa baruka Emiti kurengo muri Ghana n'ikigendererwa cyo kubyara kurinda Eby'Obuhangwa ashoborire kwemitera munywano w'omuntu kandi etakubasa kumwehindurira.
Another tree to grow even when it is good running for light up. It will not go back to stop the one coming out. But now we have leaders who, when they grow up, they want others to remain down.
Oguta komeraho ahakuhiga buri muntu kutwara emiti nk'eco kureberaho ahireyo za poemu ezirukwata hamiti no kushoborera ebirukwata hamiti.
In the morning, they sing songs of praise for God and thanking God for early morning. Is the hissing sound from the trees. Whether with big leaves or small leaves, the differences in the sound will always bring melody. Trees are friends of man. They purify the air for man to breathe without other things that would bring man sickness.
Alan Mbaga, or club president wa Rotary Club Eby'Obuhangwa, ashoborire omushachi witu enshonga habwenki bashazire mu kubyara emiti hambuga nkuru za polisi n'enshonga habwenki okubyara emiti kutiroherisho ruhango.
Ombintu bitwine kukora tuyirimo kubyara emiti habwo kuterereza Eby'Obuhangwa. Mbwenu okubyara emiti n'ekintu kikuru omu program zitu zitwine kukora omu mwaka ogu. Mbwenu twabyara emiti habwo kwizikiriraho nga Rotary Club Eby'Obuhangwa.
Patrick Mutaruha omazire emyaka 34 mu club ashoborire ko Obuhangwa obu bwabire buruho bwa hati bucushikire kandi kitashemeye ku bantu kwatijaga na mnonga hansinga nto ezibakuratire.
Useshaheji tuza kukubwira turugo so twasiga ensi tasigireho obutonde burungi abo abana bitu nabijukuru na generations ezikuza kwije bija kushanga yitwa bariya twasiga twata abo misho abakuza bakwija kutuzombegere twabato mukabi
katuje mu nibiriye bwabo kujaki kubiribwa ababikora kikashemi konka nitsinga kubishisha konka abo kubirinda turubaki.
Ekikorwa kyekikozirwa ba Rotary Club nchegita hahuru ya SCP Godfrey Msana or Deputy in charge of Logistics and Engineering Officer ahireyo kubyara emiti bakarinda Eby'Obuhangwa ebirushatse byo kwezoku omwaka n'ugumwe akigura polisi mu butongore ekintu ekikonseranta kasure or DPC wa Sheema yasima ba Rotary obutaremura.
The big task of managing this facility. Ensure water is there all the time. The buildings are very clean. Make sure the compound and environment you put trees around so that it is a very good environment.
Aho kuhereza emiti twagibyara tuza kubitfainga environment tunga police na mnonga tubire we've planted fruits majorly. So as a fruits nabali okwija 10 years from now baza ku benefiting.
Gasha kwa Gerard Tugume abwa Sky Television agenshonga omuri Sheema.